essential for protecting structures from water damage. Various materials and methods are employed, including cementitious, liquid membranes, bituminous, and sheet membranes. Cementitious waterproofing utilizes cement-based products to create a protective barrier. This method is ideal for wet areas like basements and foundations. The materials consist of a mix of cement, sand, and additives. Its advantages include ease of application, cost-effectiveness, and versatility across different surfaces. Liquid waterproofing membranes involve applying a liquid that cures into a waterproof barrier. Common materials include polyurethane, acrylic, and bitumen. This method offers seamless coverage, flexibility, and adaptability to various surfaces, making it a popular choice. Bituminous waterproofing relies on bitumen, a petroleum product, to form a durable waterproof layer. Bituminous coatings and membranes are widely used, especially in roofing and foundation applications. Their advantages include exceptional durability and water resistance. Sheet membrane waterproofing employs pre-formed waterproof sheets made from materials like PVC, TPO, and EPDM. This method is known for its durability and ease of installation, making it suitable for various applications. Other waterproofing methods include crystalline waterproofing, which uses chemicals that react with water to block penetration, and interior waterproofing, which seals walls and floors to prevent damage. Bathroom waterproofing specifically protects against moisture in bathrooms, while wall waterproofing safeguards building exteriors. Acrylic polymer waterproofing utilizes flexible polymers for durability, and silicone sealants provide a versatile, flexible option for waterproofing needs. Understanding these waterproofing types helps in selecting the right method for specific projects, ensuring long-lasting protection against water damage.